everybody. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. My name is Shauna and welcome to Shauna's World. Hey! How's everybody doing today? Well, I hope you guys are doing great. Today is a beautiful day. It's the morning, very early. And, oh man, to be honest, I am just fitness today. I'm going to do my fitness. Today's journey, my weight journey 22, day 22. Yes. And I did do my makeup this morning. This is makeup from yesterday. I know. Shame on me. Okay, whatever. I fell asleep early and didn't really have time to do my makeup this morning. You know, it's just like one of those days, okay? Everybody has them. So I'm going to change my mood and do some fitness. Yes, even though I'm not in the mood today. Whew. Okay. Yes. Okay, so yes, I'm going to do my fitness today and hopefully I'll get through the 2 hours that I'm supposed to do this morning. Yeah, I normally stay 2 hours. I'm going to do it. I'm going to get through it. So, yes, those days do happen where you just like, okay, I'm not feeling fitness. Okay, it happens. But I'm going to do it. I'm going to push through it. And this is how I'm going to start my day off, even though I'm not in the mood. Okay? But I'm going to get myself in the mood. However, yes, so please bear with me, guys. Yeah, if you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up. That would make me so happy. Yay! And if you'd like to hear more from me on my fitness journey, then subscribe. Yes, subscribe. I am pretty much loading up videos every other day. If not every day, but every other day. I'm definitely loading up videos, guys. So you will definitely hear more from me. Okay. See you in the gym. Bye. Oh, don't go nowhere.